Maybe we should bring
Go
them.
ahead.
Maybe they should just.
We're going to turn this off before we turn them on. It's
I
going to
know.
be crazy. Wasn't that in a Walt Disney movie?
Yeah, it's from Jungle Book.
Jungle Book.
Yeah.
Well, talk about Jungle Book, Miss Kira.
Yeah. I have an idea what's in here.
I don't have any clue. I have no idea.
We didn't know that we were getting a box
We
on
have no idea.
on Saturday.
Anyway, welcome to an emergency production.
Emergency.
Big deal
Yeah.
for the Distillery Channel
Yes.
unboxing. Brought to you by the Distillery Channel. On the Distillery Channel. And unboxing that. And standing to my left, I got the beautiful, the dynamic, the one, the only, Miss Kira.
And to my right is the amazing Uncle Randy, i.e. the old guy.
The old guy. Anyway, I got more ute in me than you know. Anyway, we're standing high on the 48th floor overlooking beautiful
Yeah.
southeast Wisconsin.
It's really nice outside.
Yeah, I know. And
Can we go work outside today?
We already got done. You guys went and worked out over at the Grand Geneva.
Yes.
And our new sales guy, Jason, and I went over and we broke out the driving range and a few things over there. And we come back and on our porch step is a box from Amazon.
Here, hold this.
And we have an idea what it is, but if we could have called somebody on our banana phone to assure it, we would have.
We gotta do banana notes then.
We have to do banana notes later
Okay.
this afternoon.
Want
But
me
my
to open
banana
it?
that I had for the banana phone last week, I got
Did
hung.
did it become too ripe for you?
It became part of my fresh fruit diet.
Was it unappealing?
It's not appealing. When it's not appealing, then we have to go another way. But we're excited about what's in this box. We couldn't believe it. We don't ever want to run out of banana phones ever
Yes,
again.
but you should tell them how we found out about this.
So anyway, last
Company.
week we think we know what's in this box, and it could explode in a minute here. We don't have a clue, but we think what's in there. Anyway, what became popular down at the Players Championship, we began doing these very, very important, vital interviews for international peace and hope around the world, called banana phone interviews.
Yeah, it was rotary and digital,
It
and
is.
it had its own credentials.
It did. It had media credentials. It had rotary phone on one side.
You took selfies with
We
little
did
kids.
with the banana phone.
I know.
And if it performed bad, we just ate it. So we actually interviewed PGA professionals.
Yeah.
We interviewed an empty chair
Yep.
and a kid that holds up the sign.
And you interviewed the trophy.
And we interviewed the trophy that is now sitting on Rory McIlroy's. Think about that. We touched that trophy.
I did. I
And-
did. My prints are on there.
And we have an interview with the trophy
Yeah.
on my banana phone.
I know.
So, Miss Kira, let's take a look, see what's in here.
I can't open it.
Come on, Miss Kira, we're all excited.
Woo!
Yeah.
There's
Oh, look
one.
at this. One banana phone.
Two banana
phones.
And three.
Three banana
Wait,
phones.
Three.
So again, when you get banana phones like this, it's called a bunch.
Yes.
And they have a lot of appeal. These are...
You and your terrible.
I know it. And what's really cool about this is that they have my picture on every box.
Talk more, smile more,
Okay.
save gorillas.
We're saving gorillas. This particular, what we did is you go to the banana phone online, and we're going to
Here,
have...
I got it.
You got it?
Maybe I lied.
Maybe not.
Ow.
Well, we contacted many different phone companies last week, and we just Googled banana phone.
Yep.
And so anyway, found them through Facebook.
You got to do a drum roll.
Go ahead.
No, do a drum roll. I can't.
My drum is wearing out.
Woo!
Now that is a banana phone.
Hello?
Hello. I don't have one. I'll have to get you my
Hello?
landline.
No, he's busy. He's
Very busy. Doing very, very important things. So are there any instructions in there?
here. Wait, you take that.
Hello. Hello. No, Miss Kira's busy this Friday night. She's dating all of Match.com. Anybody within 50 miles can... no, she's dating actually somebody on the PGA Tour. I'm sorry. We'll just let it go with that one.
Here.
Anyway, what we have in there is we got this beautiful
We could plug it
banana
in.
phone.
Let's
Well, you got to plug it into your phone.
No, but you got to charge it.
Yeah, well, we'll have to.
I'm going to
just
charge
anyway.
it right now.
The thing of it is, what do they call that? It's not an MP3.
Bluetooth.
Oh, it's a Bluetooth, not an MP3. I'm very technical.
Look, I know.
There you
Here,
go.
you read that.
I've got to read the instructions.
Important information.
Yeah.
But
It says never use the banana while bathing. That's not what it says. So,
it says
I know.
giving back is important at Banana Phone, which is why we are routing 1% of sales to gearing up for gorillas.
isn't that cool?
G4G focuses 100% on the conservation of endangered eastern mountain gorillas of, I don't even know what that is.
I can't read it.
Virtuaga
See, we're doing this
National
live.
Park. It's Democratic Republic of Congo.
There you go.
Join us in helping save these magnificent creatures by providing funding and equipment to the brave park rangers who risk their lives to protect the gorillas from poachers and habitat destructions.
Yep.
To learn more, check out the award-winning documentary Virunga on Netflix or visit Gearing Up for Gorillas website at www.g4g.co.uk. Save gorillas.
Yeah, now the curious thing is that even though we're the Distillery Channel,
Yes.
our major corporation is www.liveecostyle.com.
Yep.
And the 8 to 10 prior years to today, and even for me going all the way back into Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom with Marlon Perkins, is that we've been very, very focused on not only sustainable growth
Yep.
around the world, and dealing with trying to conserve water around the world, and just making it. We're not going to talk about global warming and those
Nope.
issues.
No.
But Live Eco Style has 8 to 10 years of looking
Ooh.
at what it means to be a good tender of this planet.
Yes.
And if you go on and you learn about the gorillas of what they've been through,
Yeah.
it's horrifying.
I know.
It's
I've seen a
horrifying.
documentary on
Yeah.
National Geographic, and that's just heartbreaking.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're gonna work with Banana Phone. Obviously,
Banana Phone.
It
hello.
turned out to be something that we started, the Banana Phone. When we have an interview, when we get done with an interview of like a PGA pro or somebody,
Somebody
we
muy
interview,
important.
we're gonna send them a Banana Phone so that they can get the word
Then we
spread
can,
out.
and then we can call them on their banana.
On their Banana Phone, and these calls will have a lot of appeal. They'll be high in vitamins. They'll help your digestive tract. They'll give you a good clean skin, and they all come in one wrapped
Banana.
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 So, anyway, it's gonna be fun.
I think it's for you.
I think it is for me. This has been a lot of fun today. And no, it isn't. 1-900. That wasn't mine. That's yours.
No.
Oh yeah, that's a
no.
$75 call there.
No.
Let me get it again here. You're with the PGA. You're a player. You're looking for Miss Kira. Yeah. And what's your handicap? You're a top 5 in the world player. Have we met you? Yes, we have. And you have a foundation and you wear a funny cap. Let me think about this for a minute. I don't know. Miss Kira, do you know anybody? No? I don't know either.
Take a message.
Shambo. Anyway. Miss Kira, I'm going to give you this back.
I'll call you later. Okay,
Exactly.
bye.
Text me. We're going to have a lot of fun with this. Anyway, look us up on the distillerychannel.com. It's all about having fun.
Look for us at another tournament. We're doing live coverage of the Masters.
And when you find us anywhere, please put a note in our bag so we can find our way home, because we have no idea
When we're getting home.
when we're getting home. So
Maybe that's a good thing.
that's all right. Anyway, for Miss Kira,
And Uncle Randy.
we are going to go do something with a lot of appeal right now.
I was good to use
I stole. Anyway, do we have any music, Miss Kira?
No.
I stepped all over her line. So sad.
I know.
It's really bad. Anyway, we have fun. Right to
Bye.
us. Facebook,
Yes.
Distillery Channel.
Cheers, everybody.
Bye-bye. I get to dance now. In your bubble?
You're in my bubble. I don't know if that player would like that.
Shammy, shammy, shammy. Shammy, shammy.
Nope. Here, we can be
What?
like, we can do.
Oh, I did that in high school. Right in the middle of physics class.
I feel like this could be like New Orleans style music.
It is.
I know. Let's say goodbye.
Bye-bye.